Hello everyone, I am Piyush. Welcome to this episode of Movie Reviews with Piyush. In this video, I will be giving a review of the latest movie, The Air. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. The movie Air was recently released on 5th April 2023 and it is about how the Air Jordans that is very popular today with Nike was released. The movie has some big stars such as Ben Affleck and Matt Damon. I didn't know about these stars because I usually don't watch Hollywood movies, but when I searched about them I came to know they have worked in some huge movies such as The Martian, Interstellar, Ford vs Ferrari, Batman vs Superman and many others. I came to know about this only when I searched about them after watching the movie. I don't know it's a coincidence or a made up thing, but Michael Jordan had jersey numbers 45 and 23 and the movie was released on 5th April 2023. That is 4523. This might be a coincidence or the director might have really thought about it. So the story basically revolves about how the product Air Jordans that are so popular with Nike went into effect, how they were released. The movie is not specifically about the company Nike, how they started, but it is specifically about the product Air Jordans that they came up with. It was the year 1984. The top shoe companies at that time were Adidas and Converse, who had the greatest market share, and Nike was just having a small market share and was not recognized in the market. The company had just went public and they were incurring losses because they were not able to sell that much products. This is where Sunny, the role played by Matt Damon, plays a role where he is a sports marketing executive for the company. He's in charge of bringing the basketball players into Nike and forming deals with them. Nike used to sell many running shoes and the CEO of the company, Phil Knight, who is played by Ben Affleck, was very happy with that, but the basketball division was making losses and they were not really making any progress. So he was trying to influence Sunny that you should bring in more players and increase this division because otherwise they have to just move out of the basketball division. So the Nike had certain budget, only that budget could be used for basketball players. So the management thought that we will just divide this money into 3 different players so that it's not risky and we will divide equally between 3 or 4 players. This is where Sunny suggests them that they should only go with Michael Jordan. Remember that in this time Michael Jordan was still not a star. He was just soon to be rookie NBA player, which means he was just starting out his career in NBA. He was only, I think, 21 years of age. Sunny, who was played by Matt Damon, knew basketball very well and he had a great feeling about Michael Jordan, which he never had with any other player. So he tried to persist with the company that they should go with Michael Jordan alone and not sign any other players. This will be groundbreaking for them and this will be the best deal for them. So he tried to convince everyone in the company. He also shows up at the Jordan's house where he tries to meet his family because Michael Jordan at that time was a huge fan of Adidas and Converse and he didn't even want to meet the Nike for a deal. This is where Michael Jordan's mother comes in and she has a great role in influencing Michael Jordan about it. And they finally have a meeting with Nike. Adidas and Converse were a huge company, but the only thing is that they had a set number of shoes and they used to only sell that one, which is where Nike thought that they will make a shoe specifically for Michael Jordan, giving a special touch to that. One of the great quotes I remember from this movie is said by Michael Jordan's mother, who says that a shoe is only a shoe until my son steps in it, which is a great quote. So this movie basically shows everything, how they started an idea about deal and going about the deal, persisting with it. Sunny was the only person who believed in Michael Jordan and he wanted Michael Jordan to sign a deal with Nike. Anyhow, he went to great lengths for that. This movie is a great movie about persistence, believing in yourself, pushing yourself to the limits and finally making it happen. I won't go into much detail. I would definitely recommend you go and watch it in the theater. It is worth watching. I went to a theater named Regal LA Live in downtown LA. Coincidentally, this theater is near the Crypto.com arena, which is home to the LA Lakers basketball. I know Michael Jordan didn't play there, but the basketball feel around that was great to see. The actors did a great job, right from Ben Affleck, Matt Damon, also the parents of Michael Jordan. Everyone played a great role and it's an inspiring movie to watch. It's not a big movie, it's just around 2 hours, so it's not a long movie, and I always like seeing movies that are based on true story. I don't watch basketball that much. I just came in the US. I'm a huge fan of cricket. Back in India, cricket is a huge sports, but even seeing this movie as a sports lover is a great thing. It will inspire you, give you a ray of hope that you can do anything that you want. And if you take initiative, believe in yourself and do the right thing, the great things will always come. Michael Jordan didn't believe in Nike, but after the persistence from Sonny and his mom, he finally signed a deal with Nike, and the Air Jordans are bringing him millions of dollars per year in royalties, so which is a great thing for him. He's still earning passive income to this day whenever a Nike Air Jordan product is sold. Only thing I would like to tell you is you won't see Michael Jordan acting in this movie. There is a person who is playing a role of Michael Jordan, but Ben Affleck has said it in an interview that he doesn't want anyone to be playing the role of Michael Jordan. In the movie Air, you will only see Michael Jordan from the back or from the side or only his hands or something. You won't see him acting because the director and actor Ben Affleck said that the role of Michael Jordan can't be played by anyone, and he doesn't want people to see someone who is playing Michael Jordan but who isn't Michael Jordan. So this is what he cleared. So just making it clear that you won't see him playing a role, but they will show some real clips of Michael Jordan and you will get goosebumps if you really watched him play. The management team at Nike expected that the sales of Air Jordans would not be more than 3 million in a year, but in the first year itself it sold around $100 million of Air Jordans, so it was a great success. So today Air Jordans are one of the most popular products in the Nike. Many people like to get them, and they have just been a great addition to the Nike's basket of shoes. Again, I learned a lot of lessons from this movie: to be persistent, to take initiative, how to convince others when you really believe in yourself, sometimes breaking the rules and just making sure you do the right thing for the company. At the time it might seem wrong for them, but over time they will not regret it and it will be a huge success for you. Definitely I recommend you to watch this movie. Go and watch this movie in theaters, you will not regret it. I spent around $17 for this movie for a single ticket, but I would not regret it. This was a great movie to watch. Comment down your thoughts below if you already watched this movie. Let me know what you think about it. Like and subscribe my channel if you find my content useful. Comment down any movie suggestions. I would like to hear it from you guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Until next time.